Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you cancel your Amazon Prime membership from your Apple iPhone mobile here. So this video is quite interesting and simple to do. Just follow out the steps I'm saying you and then you can easily cancel your subscription from Amazon Prime. If you want to discontinue the subscription, you can just go onto your phone setting and you can cancel the subscription. So I'm just showing you the step. So the first step is to go on your setting option on your mobile phone here like this on your iPhone, and here is a lot of options here, but what you have to do, click on the first option, that is my name Sitanshu Shekhar Mishra is displaying. Whenever you will click on that, there will be a lot of options called name, phone number, email, password, security, payment, subscriptions. As you can see, the fourth option is subscriptions and your work is related to subscription. So just click on this option here. It will take around 20 to 30 seconds to be open here, and here you will see my all subscription that are all inactive right now. I have no active subscription right now on my this Apple ID in this mobile phone, but these are some inactive past subscription of my phone, as you can see. But if you have any type of active subscription, you will see that suppose you have Amazon Prime, then it will be appear here, and from clicking like this you can just click on the cancel subscription option from this menu on your iPhone and the subscription will be cancelled. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel, flag, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.